once someone has graduated with an undergraduate degree in building construction, they want to get a job, and by the time they reach, 2, 3, 4 years into their career, many have seen that a graduate degree in construction management is going to open many more doors for them. Because they get in and quickly realize, okay, this bachelor's degree that I got in this has enabled me to get my foot in the door. I've established a good career, but I want more out of this. There are things within this realm of construction management that I need to be able to do. And to that end, we continue education in construction law. We might even look at how an attorney might draft a construction contract. We look at how those contracts are enforced. In what courts would they be enforced? How would they be applicable? How would they be not applicable to every situation? We continue studies in construction project management. Now that's essentially a continuation of advanced scheduling techniques, advanced estimating, and strategic bidding on projects. One of the big pushes within construction education these days is data analytics, and there are many algorithms that we teach that will actually assist company leadership in deciding what projects to bid on. Bidding on a project is a very expensive proposition. If we're talking about bidding on a project such as the Volkswagen manufacturing facility, where it was close to $1 billion, that's not something that you're going to pick up the phone and within a week or two put together a bid, or at least a good qualified bid that would enable you to get the project and then be successful on it and be profitable to the contracting company owner. So we like to start teaching how to be leaders in your firm, how to look forward, how to have a strategic look forward, 6 months, a year, 5 years, 10 years down the road. And to do this, we also bring in economics to a certain extent, and we teach engineering economy, where we look at the cost of capital and the cost of opportunity, and opportunity cost that may be lost by bidding on the incorrect projects. And then to top it all off, we require our master's degree students to essentially build a company, put together a company, form a company, choose an entity under which they would operate their company, and then actually on paper build a project. And that would mean putting together, selecting a project, one that is about to be built, one that has been completed, or even just to come up with an ordinate project, such as my project is going to be an engineering project that will be spread over 5 acres, and it's going to consist of the following, and then the criteria is laid out, and then the student actually proceeds to build that on paper. And they do this by putting together a bid, putting together an estimate, putting together a schedule, and then being able to describe the company that's going to build that. And we feel like once that they have reached that, once they have completed that capstone project, they are in a much better position to move forward in the leadership of their company in a strategic role.